help you relax and relieve tension and stress. 5 minutes before bed help you fall asleep faster. Stretching the meridians of the liver and spleen improve the function of liver and spleen. Good sleep improve kidney function, help you lie longer. 10 minutes every morning. Expand your lungs, get more oxygen. Relieve shoulder pain. Keep your spine straight, look younger. Stretch leg meridians, promote leg blood circulation 20 times a day. Keep you young and energetic. 5 minutes a day. Stretch the lumbar spine to relieve pain. Build strength in your knees, prevent injury. 36 times a day. Relieve neck pain. Relieve shoulder pain 30 times a day. Relax your body, your high blood pressure. Improve balance and prevent falls. Five minutes a day. Stretch liver meridians. Stretch spleen meridians. Improve digestive function. Stretch the waist, improve kidney function 6 times a day. Build leg strength and flexibility. Reduce belly fat. 30 times a day. Reduce belly fat. Improve leg strength and flexibility 20 times 1 seat, 3 seats a day. Relieve shoulder pain. Relieve neck pain. Five minutes a day. This is a great stretch exercise of the entire back. Reduce shoulder and neck pain. Reduce lower back pain. Reduce hip pain. Keep your knees straight 36 times a day. Reduce neck pain. The neck will be warm and comfortable. Six times a day. Stretch your thighs and knees before the exercise. Prevent knee and thigh injuries.